guys, this is the staple factory. I've got it from Temu, and it's in good condition right now. But if somebody's working at Temu, please tell me what's that here thing back here. Is it for wet or something? It's so light. It's been so mucky. It's fabulous. You can if you can buy Henry bags to fit in here. Yes, hello. Let me show you. You see these clips? You have to pull and pull backwards. This is your Henry bag. This is your base. It might get rusty, but you can just use screws to unscrew the thing. If you want to do that, this is like an air filter, but you can suck up water with it. If it leaks out the back, can you just stop the hoover and empty it? That is it full. Last time I was hoovering out a car, the most baddest thing, see this bit here, it has caned off. Here, it's caned off, but I tied it on. And you can fit, it comes with a dodgy floor head, but you can fit a Henry the Hoover tool on it. It belongs to my 200. My base, air filter. He's pretty light, but it's tricky to put on the head. It's good for your garage, cleaning cars, and it's great for if you're builder. Don't get a Titan because this, not Titan, Draper, don't get one of those because they're so loud. I'm just watching Monkey Box on my TV. And how do you put it back? You see these clips with the camera? See these, guys? You move it a bit into the edge and it says up and down. That. Just show the hose just for a minute. This is your hose. These are used two. No, three. God, I'm thinking about my couch now. These are your three pipes. It does not come with any tools, but you can get one of the small ends because it does not fit directly onto here, guys. You have to put a wand on here and you have to put a Henry tool like this one. But if you have this size, it fits. Bought update. It's nearly my birthday and I'm getting a part of a professional hoover, and I might do a birthday video on it, and in the comments on my YouTube channel, write happy birthday to me, and bye.